Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and just wanted to do a quick update tonight because we've been doing all the unboxing videos and we still have those to record for first thing in the morning for day 6. But it doesn't seem like we get an opportunity to really post a lot about what we're doing, what we're working on, other than shopping sprees and things, but we do accomplish and knock out some other things. So this weekend, I actually knocked out pillowcases and made a couple for my son-in-law for Christmas because he's a huge beer fan. And actually was the first time I did pillowcases last year for the grandkids, and I think we did them for Halloween and Christmas. And I think that's what we did. I think it was Halloween and Christmas. So we made pillowcases for them, but they didn't have the cuffs and that on them, and they were all strictly done on the serger. So these are actually done with what they call the French seams. So actually a little bit more work, not a little bit, probably a lot more work than just running them down on the serger and that. But it really does give that nice, clean, finished look. And I will probably do more. I have a feeling that my partner is probably going to end up liking these and desiring those for maybe some of the other seasons and eventually maybe Christmas, because we actually keep 6 pillows on our bed and we never have pillowcases that match all the way across. But with that said, I did learn how to do the French seams. I do like this. Really debating if I do this again. What they did is after we put these pieces together, sewed everything down, we top stitched across here to make sure this was clean and that this is held nice together. And it is, but I'm not sure that I like this being loose. I don't know what it would do if I sewed it down, what that would look like, especially since it does have to turn. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. But anyways, I did knock out a couple of pillowcases this weekend as part of our Christmas packages we have to ship to the grandkids and the children back east, and a few family members that we have left for Christmas and their gifts and that. So we're trying to finish up and get all that done. But with that said, just wanted to kind of give you an update on some of the things we've got going on. December's a busy month for us. We do a lot of holiday parties. We do a lot of participation. This past weekend, part of what we did was have a neighborhood party. So we invite neighbors close to us that we've gotten to know the last couple of years living here. We have an open house for them. Last night we actually went to a choir type show for Christmas. This weekend, Friday, I have a ladies quilt luncheon. Friday night we have dinner with friends. Saturday I have another quilt luncheon. Saturday night I think we have a LGBT Christmas dance that we go to, which is always a blast. And then Sunday we have our cookie exchange. So we keep a busy schedule, especially during the month of December. It's kind of nice when January gets here and we get to just put everything away and kind of recoup from it. And then by September, October, we're recharged and ready to go for another big round. But with that said, my name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. You got to hear me ramble just a little bit tonight. We appreciate each and every one of you. We are almost at 600 subscribers. It is truly humbling. We had no idea when we started this channel if anyone would ever listen and reach out. And the relationships and friends that we're developing through the YouTube community, followers and subscribers, just means a lot to us. Hit that thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Tell your friends, neighbors to hit that subscribe button. We're excited. We think potentially at some point we're going to hit 1,000, and we never thought we'd hit 100, and now we're almost at 600. So it's just amazing to us. So hopefully first of the year we'll start doing some lives and not always have just pre-recorded messages. But with that said, we appreciate you dropping in, and until next time, happy crafting.